Hi, this is Chef Jay. I'm going to show you how to do a shrimp fried rice today. This is the shrimp, and this is the onion. We have some rice here, and we have an egg. So right now, all you need to do is heat up the wok or the pot or whatever. Just give not too much oil, just enough to cook with the eggs. So right now, I'm heating up the wok. And then crack an egg and throw it away, and then dump it into it. After you dump into it, and put in the shrimp. Mix it all together. Right here. And then you don't need to fully cook the shrimp yet. You got rice in it, and pour that in, mixing it. Make sure all the rice not stick together. Kind of like use one of this utensil and break it apart. You can see it here. So you can see how I'm stir it at the same time and crack it at the same time. So make it loose up. You can see it right here. So right now, after you stir it enough, right now we're gonna put some salt in it. Remember, the salt is not a whole lot. Maybe about half spoon or less. I didn't put the whole thing in it, so about a little bit over, maybe a third of a tiny third of a teaspoon. After you've done that, you heat enough, bring up the heat right now. See, look at it. So the shrimp, you can see it's cooked already. So once it's cooked, you know it's ready. This is the last thing we're gonna put it in. Put this in the scallion or the green onion. Put it in it, and mix it with a little high heat. And sometimes, we like to put a dash of soy sauce in it. Not a whole lot, just to bring up the flavor. You see, I did not put any MSG other than just the salt. So right now you can see it's ready to serve. Very simple. This is how fried rice is. It's all loose up. So we're gonna put that onto the plate. You can see it. So you can see it right here. This is the shrimp fried rice from Chef Jay, and this one has no MSG. Make sure you subscribe and then learn more. And then remember, give us a thumbs up on the Chef of Makara. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.